morning you met the AICC president, sir. What was the discussion, sir? Because you've tweeted the photos also.
He is my president. He is my leader.
Okay.
He is my president. It is my bound duty to respect him. Actually, there is a protocol. Whenever a AICC president comes to Bangalore, it is my duty to go and receive. That is the culture and protocol of the Congress party. Due to my schedules, I was not able to go and receive. So I had gone there to seek his, I took his time, I met him. Number two, that I have requested him, we are going to lay the foundation for the new Congress office in Bangalore, one of the district headquarters. Within this month end, whenever they free, I have requested guidance and suggestions always.
So many BJP leaders are saying DK Shivkumar and Ravi Gandhi are using the language is not right language, nut and bolt, tightening them, warning them. They're saying they're threatening.
Okay, we may not be right, we may not be polished. We may not be polished. They call me Bande, rock. Am I rock? Kallu Akkuti, Kadadare Akkuti. Who is the camera? So am I rock? They call in a different language. Do I look like a rock? Huh? You tell me. They call me a rock. Or you also call me a like a media also call me like that. They also tell Bande. It is our language we use. So let me rectify it. I am not a god. If I have done anything wrong, okay, I will rectify. Nothing is there. But I am telling for the best interest of the. I am also from the industry. They should know that I named a theatre and the name of Indira Gandhi.
But saying
I also hold 23 screens in Bangalore. I have interest in this industry. They should all safeguard the industry. We have done an international film festival at Bangalore, and next year I am aiming to do a IFA award. Already I have discussed. I had 2 rounds of meeting to do a IFA award. Already a team came and we have discussed in Bangalore. And recently when I went to Abu Dhabi, I have discussed there also. So we want to see that now the sandalwood has grown a little bit higher than Bollywood. It is reaching the standard of Hollywood. I should thank some of the few for cinemas which has come up. So I want them to carry and take it forward for the next legacy. That is my intention.
But to say teach them a lesson, we will teach them a lesson.
Let they also do whatever they want.
Sir, thank you.